Okay, we're now going to talk about the vocabulary words that involve the Earth seasons. As we have known now, the seasons are fall, winter, summer, and spring. Here I have provided a list of the words that we are going to review right now. It is Earth's axis, the equator, elliptical orbit of the Earth, the northern hemisphere, the southern hemisphere, the weather, and the water cycle. Now we're going to start off with Earth's axis. It is the imaginary line that an object, usually a planet, rotates around. It is the Earth's rotational axis is an imaginary straight line that runs through the North Pole and to the South Pole. As you can see right below here in this picture, right here is the North Pole and right here's the South Pole. This red line across is the equator. We're going to talk about it in the next slide. The equator is an imaginary line drawn around the Earth, equally distant from both poles. It is dividing the Earth into northern and southern hemispheres and constituting the parallel of latitude of 0 degrees. And here it is. This is the equator. The elliptical orbit of the Earth. The elliptical orbit of the Earth is commonly regarded as the instant of time when the plane of the Earth's equator passes through the center of the Sun. It is the moment at which the center of the visible Sun is directly above the equator, and that's where the seasons occur, depending on the phase and location where we're at. Northern and Southern Hemispheres. As in the image below, you can see the colored part of the Earth. Right above, we have the Northern Hemisphere, and right below, we have the Southern Hemisphere. The equator is the only imaginary line that divides the planet Earth. Some continents run through both hemispheres. Weather. Weather it is the state of the atmosphere at a place and time. It can be classified as sunny day, windy, rainy, a snow day, low precipitation, or it can be a lot of precipitation, or even cloudy. Right here I have shown some images that can illustrate the type of weathers that we can have. That also depends on what attire we're going to use or what plans we will make. The water cycle. The water cycle, it is a continuous process in which the water moves from the Earth's surface to the atmosphere and back. The water cycle connects with the weather, as the process involves condensation, precipitation, transpiration, and evaporation. When it evaporates, we feel the humidity. And when it precipitates, it is raining or snowing, as I said previously, depends on the location. We have now went over the vocabulary words that involve the Earth seasons. I hope this helps you.